Hello guys, this is Vinit from Edge-forex and today is the 24th of October 2024 and you are looking at a post that I came out in on 19th of September projecting a path, a possible path. At the time, nobody knows the future, but at the time I did my analysis and I came out with this projected path for EUR USD that I saw that is going to follow for the upcoming weeks and months. This is, again, remember, this is 19th of September. You can actually go on our Discord channel and actually see exactly when I posted it. And then I said, okay, let me actually zoom in a little bit here. You can see it better. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So you can see the price is moving up. A price goes all the way to, say, 112. And then I said, okay, it stopped here. And now it's going to come back down in this zigzag formation. So let's see. And then next thing you know, price, this is on the 1st of October. And I'm saying, hey, so far so good. It's following the path. Not exactly, but more or less following the path that I predicted. And then let's come back on the 8th of October. You can see it's following the path pretty much to the T. And that's what I'm going to say. Hey, so far so good. You need to keep things simple. That's exactly what we do here at Edge-forex. And again, so far so good. Everything is looking good. And then on the 9th of October, we came out with a trade setup saying that, hey, we have a very easy trade, 3-to-1 risk reward, a pretty much 80+% probable winner trade that is going to go and touch that bottom trend line here. That's a long-term, that a year-long trend line. And we're going to talk about that trend line a bit further, actually a bit more in a little bit. So I said, okay, guys, looks like a really, really, really good setup. And then, as you can see, how it's playing out. Yeah, let me zoom out a little bit. And boom, it actually hit our profit target. And we have a really, really good trade that we took for 150 to 200 pips. So guys, that said, let's go back to the 4-hour chart. This is the same chart, but little zoomed in at this point. You can see this is a year-long data you're looking at. So that's October of 2023 till today, which is the October of 2024. You can see the price is moving nicely in that band here. So as soon as it broke the trend line, the short-term trend line, we knew that it's going to come and test the bottom trend line. So now price is at an inflection point. It needs to decide if it wants to bounce back up or is it going to drop below this really, really strong support that has kept the price in the in an uptrend for the last 1 year. So now, what do we expect? According to me, based on the fundamentals. So now, what are the fundamentals? So European economy is in recession. There is no doubts about that. Germany is struggling in a big way. And also Southern Europe is in bad shape. So they have to drop interest rates and they have to do so very, very aggressively. Now, we go across the pond in the US is the opposite. The economy is slowing down, but it's nowhere close to recession territory, at least now. So that will happen, again, few months down the road. So the Fed does not need to cut the rates that aggressively. So that says a lot about the US dollar. In our opinion, according to our analysis, we expect US dollar to strengthen further going into the elections and beyond. So is that trend line going to break? I believe so. We believe so. That's what our analysis is showing. Now, it may bounce off of it a few times, as it does every single time it comes to that trend line. But eventually, we believe that it is going to break. Even though we are out of our trade, we have taken our profits, we are out of our trades. That it was a nice 200 pip trade that kind of we had for like 5 days. So we made 200 pips out of it, and we're happy we're out. So we're looking for that next setup. Next setup is going to be short or sell trade when it actually breaks this trend line, which should happen within a week or so. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. We do our analysis again and see what's going on at that very moment. But as of now, we're expecting this trend line to break. And when that happens, I'll be out and showing you guys that, hey, there is a trade setup. So better listen, because these kind of trades are very high probability trades, and they give you anywhere from 150 to 200 pips in a 3, 4, 5 day period. So I thought I'll give you guys an update that, hey, how our previous trade setup worked. Everything is working out exactly where we expected it to work. And then I'll be back soon with another EUR USD trade as and when it develops. And I'll be making another one, a short video on gold later on. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.